Hey, welcome back to the Filmmaker's Formula. I'm Kevin, and if you're new to this channel, hey, how are you? On this channel, we talk about all things creative filmmaking, from set design all the way to special effects. So if you like that stuff, remember to subscribe. Today I want to show you how you can replicate the glowing effect from Polo G's Battle Cry music video. The effect is really cool and looks really good when used in a music video like this. For this effect, we'll be using a free plugin by Video Copilot called Saber, and I'll put a link in the description box below to download it. The plugin itself can be used for a wide variety of things, such as masks, energy beams, neon lights, and most importantly, lightsabers. For today's video, we're just going to focus on masks. So in After Effects, you want to load up the footage you want this effect on, and then mask out the outline of where the effect is going to be. In my case, we are tracing the outside of my body. Duplicate this layer before we go any further. Then what you want to do is apply the Saber plugin to the bottom layer. In the settings panel, go down to Customize Core. Instead of Saber, select Masks. Now we have a pretty cool glowing effect around the mask. To get the electricity effect, go up to Presets and switch from Saber to Arc Reactor, and then you'll get that exact look we're looking for. That's pretty much it. I honestly can't wait to find more excuses to use this plugin. I absolutely love it. Be sure to check out the other video I posted today, and if you like this video, remember to share it with somebody else that might enjoy it. Until the next video, I'll catch you later.